Vizlib Library is by far the most powerful visual analytics and dashboarding product for Qlik Sense. Fully customizable, supported, and packed with advanced capabilities out of the box, it allows you to create guided analytic solutions. Intuitive dashboards help consumers get to insights faster and uncover more meaningful insights. Plus, leveraging powerful capabilities, users can tap into advanced analytics, create unique drill-down experiences in Viztips, define nifty shortcuts through actions, and even automate workflows through API connections. Our powerful line chart ships with one of our Vizlib capabilities, Advanced Analytics. Forecasting is made easy with simple options to configure how much data is used to train the model, how many periods to look back, and how many new points to show. The visualization power of the line chart can be extended by embedding images, reference lines, custom fonts, colors, HTML tooltips, and even displaying the pie charts per data point. Our customization extends into functional elements like creating controls and groups in visualizations. Using reference line and segment coloring, with a little help from the Vizlib slider, the targets on my line chart can be adjusted in real time without the need for any development. Vizlib bar chart includes Viztips from our Vizlib capabilities feature set. Dashboards are typically focused on displaying the most important data, so you can never fit everything in. That's where Viztips come in, providing supplemental data and precise detail without adding clutter. Viztips not only offer you trends at a glance, but also help update other charts on the sheet to match your area of focus. This inspires users' curiosity to explore the data at a deeper level. Viztips uniquely visualizes context and imagery behind products and real-world scenarios. Data is more than just numbers, and Viztips, in a number of ways, adds new dimensions to your visualizations. One of our many demo apps, titled Vizlib Data-Driven Development, is powered by one of our essential charts, the Vizlib Scatter Chart. With some help from the Vizlib slider, I can easily see the relationship between temperature and sales. With Vizlib Advanced Analytics, I can group similar data points to each other to help find patterns in the data. Don't forget to check out more examples like this on our website. In this healthcare-based demo, we have the Vizlib Sankey Chart, Venn Diagram, Kpi Designer, plus the table to help us with detail. A Sankey chart is a specific type of flow diagram in which the link widths represent the volume going from one dimension to the other. Switchable dimensions make analysis easy, removing the need for repeated or similar charts. With support for lots of dimensions, your Sankey chart can help you in any industry from healthcare with patient flow or web analytics, tracking user journeys. To better understand relationships in the data, we can look toward the Venn diagram. Common elements of the attributes are being represented by intersections of the circles. The circle's size, position, and intersections are driven by the elements which may belong to one or more of the available attributes. Take a new approach to designing KPIs in Qlik Sense with our Vizlib Kpi Designer, complete with layered visualizations, charts, metrics, images, and icons. Equipped with Vizlib Actions, clicking on this KPI takes me to another sheet in a different app. This sheet shows our iconic KPI feature, the icon bar layer. KPIs can create infographic-style, layered visuals that update as selections are made. Producing these types of visuals regularly is made easy using Vizlib templates. Templates can be saved and opened on demand, saving time to create more intriguing visuals. Featuring full formatting of columns and rows, Vizlib pivot table can be styled at multiple levels. Dimension and measure cells feature custom coloring and measure indicators to help grasp data fast. Using Property Panel Search, I quickly add in progress bars. Progress bars help users understand differences between different levels of hierarchy, which can then be easily tracked over time. Highlight on hover helps maintain focus on wide tables or larger screens. We believe end-user customization is key. Clicking on dimension and measure headers allows instant sorting. As we all know, different users have different needs. You can easily tailor the Vizlib pivot table to your needs without editing the object. Our easy-to-use table wizard can help end users modify their pivot on the fly. We set out to enable users to define their own fully customized views, to remove the need for unnecessary development or duplicated pivot tables. This is particularly useful when creating formatted exports. Now I have an export to suit my needs, aggregated at a level that I require. Navigate data quickly and easily with the feature-rich Vizlib table, with different representation types, each with contextual tooltips. Vizlib table also features Vizlib actions, enabling a seamless guided analytics experience, equipped with row-based HTML support, custom tooltips, and viz tips. Vizlib table is a great addition to any dashboard. Web app style dashboards can easily be created within Qlik Sense using Vizlib sheet menu, removing the need for complex mashup development. The side menu feature of the sheet menu works well as a familiar section of your apps to show navigation, Vizlib filters, KPIs and buttons. This works especially well for touch devices like tablets where scrolling occurs and some objects need to be kept in place. With endless customization, all parts of the Qlik navigational UI elements are customizable, even hideable, offering a blank canvas to create mashup style views, landing pages and your own custom hubs, even scrollable visual stories. Our menu wizards make it easy to add elements to the sheet menu, with each element supporting Vizlib actions to create a true guided analytics experience. Drag and drop makes it easy to manage your sheets and to manage your groups. With the addition of Vizlib templates, our sheet menu becomes the perfect start to creating not only familiarity, but uniquely adding brand identity. Custom branding is easily added in a few clicks, with a unique custom navigation to suit any brand, working across multiple devices. Accelerate your build time and improve the functionality of your dashboards with the Vizlib container, supporting a selection of presets and a responsive grid mode. Equipped with Vizlib actions, the container grid adds to the unique guided analytics experience that the Vizlib library offers. Streamline selections in the data model using Vizlib filter. The advanced features include custom styling options and support for Vizlib templates for fast styling to create familiar environments for end users. Vizlib actions help save time as well as guide users through Qlik Sense applications. With default selections, you can drive users towards specific user journeys or guide them towards the latest data as they enter the app. Similarly, the Vizlab Calendar with multiple views at day and month level adds another dimension to navigating through data. Date ranges help select periods of time easily through one single click. Our API integration action lets you create a custom connection to a REST API of your choosing. The new wizard makes this easy to use, almost like having Postman inside Qlik Sense. This is an extremely powerful feature, helping you integrate systems like Salesforce, Jira, Slack, email, and more. This feature opens up opportunities to elevate your actionable insights, bringing the actions directly to the insights, waiting for a simple click of a Vizlib button.